Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Alex. I got some horrible news. My hard drive died recently. As you can hear from the video, it's doing a clicking death noise. It's not something you want to hear, especially when you got your baby's birth video in there and your couple of other backups that you need. This is my first hard drive that has died on me too. It's my only Seagate drive that I own as well. It's a Barracuda 3 terabyte model ST3000DM001. It was originally an external hard drive. I removed it from the enclosure and I installed it inside my PC about a year ago after I misplaced the power supply. I googled and found that a common issue is the heads getting stuck over the platter, so I decided to remove the 6 screws on the hard drive cover to open it up and reveal its guts. I crossed my fingers when I opened it up. I was like, oh yeah, this should be it. Sadly, nope. And when I opened it up, I noticed black specks similar to toner all over the platter. I have no idea what this is or why it occurred. I'm hoping I didn't cause irreversible damage to the hard drive. Anyways, I want your opinion on what it could be. From what I saw when the hard drive was on and the cover was off, it looks like the heads need to be replaced. So yeah, I wanted to get your opinion on what it could be and if it's easily fixable, or if I'm better being safe and just going with a data recovery business, and who your recommendations are.